Welcome back. Now on to that breaking news story of the bomb blast in Mumbai, the latest coming in from NDTV 24/7.
So that was a live report from Miloni Bhatt, who was at the Opera House, which the Chief Minister of Maharashtra has said had a very high intensity explosion. The Home Minister said it was a coordinated attack by terrorists. It has pretty early into this evening been described as a terror attack by the government. And the Home Minister, as we said, will be visiting Mumbai either tonight or tomorrow. The Prime Minister has also spoken to him, as well as the Maharashtra Chief Minister. In fact, the Prime Minister has asked to be personally told of developments in this case. Well, we'll go back to Saurabh Gupta, who's at the JJ Hospital and joins us now. Saurabh, you know, the number of injured has also gone up in the last 5 minutes or so. Now the Home Ministry has confirmed 20 dead, 113 injured. So, any more information about the condition of those in the hospital where you are, how serious these injuries are? Because these were very crowded areas, this was rush hour, and as the government has said, the idea was to create maximum impact.
Yes, Nidhi, that's very clear, because the area where the blast took place was a very crowded area at that time, and many patients from the Opera House area have been brought here. Of course, we know that some patients were very serious and they also have been brought here, but there will be an update on the condition of the patients very soon. In fact, we've been trying to speak to Mr. T.P. Lahane, the Dean of JJ Hospital. He says he will give us an update as soon as possible. Of course, right now the patients are being attended to. They've not said anything specific about the nature of injuries, but it's quite clear that some of them are very seriously injured, right, given the impact of the blast and the intensity of the blast at the site where it took place.
Well, we can also see live pictures actually of Chief Minister Prithviraj Chavan visiting one of the hospitals where the injured have been admitted there. These are live pictures. I think it's from GT Hospital in Mumbai. And as I think you mentioned that earlier, Saurabh, that he's actually going to be coming to all the hospitals where the injured are tonight.
Right, Nidhi, yes, the Chief Minister, Mr. Prithviraj Chavan, is expected here at JJ Hospital in some time. He will be coming to visit the patients who've been brought here, the victims actually of the blast who've been brought here. Many of them are being treated at the JJ Hospital. Of course, the JJ Hospital is a government-run hospital, and many of the victims, and many of the serious victims actually, in fact, we hear, have been brought here to JJ. Of course, the Dean says that there will be an update on the condition of the patients as soon as he's attended to them. And he says that we will have to wait for that a short while. But in the meantime, we are expecting the Chief Minister anytime at the JJ Hospital here in central Mumbai. Nidhi?
All right, Saurabh, do stay with us. We'll come back to you in just a moment and just showing viewers there pictures of the blast aftermath at Zaveri Bazaar. Which we just got in the last few minutes. Somebody took these pictures on his cell phone, and they're pretty gruesome actually. They show you the kind of scenes and the horror that unfolded right after the blast took place. Miloni Bhatt is at Zaveri Bazaar now and can bring us up to date on what's happening there. Miloni, are things much calmer right now? What are you hearing?
Nidhi, there's a crowd behind us. The entire area has been barricaded. Where the blast occurred is called the Agyari Lane, and we believe that there was a food vendor out there. Next to him, there were some bikes, and it's in one of those bikes that a device exploded, and that led to mayhem. This is one of the worst affected areas, and this is not the first time that Zaveri Bazaar has been hit by terror. In 2003 also there was a blast, but we have an eyewitness with us. आपका नाम बताइए और दिलीप जी क्या देखा आपने? आप वहीं थे
जब वो ब्लास्ट हुआ? उसके बाद में जो इंजर्ड जो आदमी था उसको कम से कम 1 घंटा लेके घूमा मैं इधर उधर, पर वो किसी ने उसकी कोई मदद नहीं किया, कोई गाड़ी में नहीं बैठाया, बोले टैक्सी।
आपने ब्लास्ट देखा?
हाँ, ब्लास्ट देखा।
क्या हुआ था वो बताइए।
एकदम जम के 2 धमाके हुए। 2 धमाके के बाद में
कहाँ धमाके हुए? कुछ बाइक
बाइक के पास में धमाका हुआ, बाइक के चितल उड़ गए। उसके बाद में जो
नाश्ता गली मतलब
खाऊ गली के अंदर जो इंजर्ड आदमी था उसको मैं जब लेके जा रहा था इधर उधर, तो मेरे पीछे भी ब्लड वगैरह लग गया।
ओके, अच्छा, तो आप उनको इंजर्ड को लेके जा रहे
थे पर वो उनको कोई सवारी मिल रही नहीं थी, उनको बोले टैक्सी उधर।
उस वक्त वहाँ माहौल क्या था?
माहौल अफरा तफरी का माहौल था और सब भागा भाग कर रहे थे लोग। जवेरी बाजार में सब गूंज उठा था जवेरी बाजार, और कोई लग रहा था सिलेंडर फटा करके, ऐसा इस टाइप बात हुई, अफवाह फैली थी। और
सिलेंडर ब्लास्ट किया।
हाँ, बस नॉमिनल ले रहे थे सब लोग, पर जब वो 2-3 जन जबकि लास्ट मैंने जब देखी तो एकदम मेरे को चक्कर आ गई, क्योंकि उसका किसके हाथ किसका सब परछड़े उड़ गए थे, गाड़ी के परछड़े उड़ गए थे। और जो इंजर्ड आदमी था वो उसका मुझे
टोकरी में भर के लेके गए।
वो जो एक जो मेरे साथ में था जिसका मेरे को ब्लड लगा, वो उसको कुछ सुझरा नहीं था, वो बोलता इधर से लेके चलो, कभी बोलता उधर से लेके चलो, तो वो
कंफ्यूजन हो रहा था। आपने देखा?
नहीं देखा नहीं, लेकिन बाद में नजारा देखा ना, पूरा जवेरी बाजार गूंज उठा था। लेकिन जब तक गवर्नमेंट और सरकार कसाब और अफजल गुरु जैसे को फांसी नहीं देगा, तब तक कुछ कार्रवाई नहीं होगा। आतंकवादी को सबक नहीं मिलेगा। आतंकवादी को तभी सबक मिलेगा पहली बार कोई डायरिंग नहीं करेगा।
एक और चीज
राजनेताओं को कहना चाहता हूँ, वो अपनी सैलरी बढ़ाने के लिए 10 मिनट में प्रस्ताव पास कर देते। अफजल गुरु का फाइल कहाँ अटका हुआ है, कहाँ सोनिया गांधी और क्यों नहीं पास करवा रही है?
एक और बात बताइए, यहाँ जवेरी बाजार पहले भी टारगेट हुआ है,
बहुत बार हुआ है, 93 में हुआ है, ये बिल्डिंग
तो उसके बाद सिक्योरिटी वगैरह
कोई सिक्योरिटी नहीं है। पुलिस जो थी ना, पुलिस पौन घंटा तक के कोई पुलिस नहीं आई। पहले फायर ब्रिगेड आई, उसके बाद में पुलिस आई नहीं, फायर ब्रिगेड वाले आए, वो लोगों ने मदद किया, महानगर पालिका वाले आए, उन्होंने मदद किया, बाकी कोई लोग आए नहीं।
और यहाँ के आसपास के लोग,
यहाँ के आसपास के लोग तो सब भाग गए थे। ये जो बाहर गांव के हमारे जैसे लोग हैं, हम लोगों ने वो डेयरिंग करके वो सब काम किया, और वो ये जो यहाँ के जो लोग थे दुकान बंद करके सब भाग गए।
मैडम जी, आपके चैनल से 1 मिनट होल्ड कीजिए। एक बात मैं कहना चाहता हूँ आपके चैनल के थ्रू कि भारत सरकार और ये महाराष्ट्र सरकार, जो भी सरकार है जहाँ राज्य चलता है अपना, दहशतगर्द कब तक ये सब कुछ करते रहेंगे? सबक नहीं मिलेगा आतंकवादी को ताबड़तोड़।
कोई एक्शन क्यों नहीं उठाते? जब इतना सब कुछ हुआ था, तब कुछ नहीं किया। बॉम्बे ताजमहल होटल में आए, 26 हुआ, इतने लोगों ने दहशतगर्दी
वोटिंग के लिए सब लोग वोटिंग के लिए कर रहे थे,
सब कुछ आएगा,
सब ये राजनीति
lots of anger in the people here, and a lot of them basically they're now crowded all around us, and they're saying that the government needs to act. It's not the first time that it has happened at Zaveri Bazaar, and they're hoping that there is more security and more stringent action taken by the government of Maharashtra and the national government.
Well, that anger obviously very understandable. This city has really been the victim of some very horrific terror attacks, Miloni. I just wanted to ask you, as you drove to Zaveri Bazaar tonight, what were the streets like? How was traffic? Are things running on time? Are things normal? What's the city like tonight?
I'm sorry, Nidhi, you have to repeat your question.
When you drove there, was everything normal on the streets of Mumbai? All right, I don't think Miloni can hear me. I'm going to try and get back to her in just a bit. It's really chaotic and noisy there. I'm going to go back to Saurabh, who's at the JJ Hospital. Saurabh, I believe there were some people, I don't know if you could see those pictures there, but there were some people at the GT Hospital where Mr. Chavan was just a few minutes ago, very upset. They were protesting. I think, yeah, we can see those shots now. Very upset that the ambulances didn't come on time, according to them, that the police reached the site late. What are you hearing about the responses in the immediate aftermath?
All right, apart from, of course, this big breaking news, there is also another big piece of news for the people of Chennai, certainly something that will interest you coming up now. Big news of the superstar Rajinikanth has returned to Chennai just a short while ago after a 6-week-long treatment in Singapore. Now, the actor was discharged last month after being treated for kidney-related ailments in Singapore. And the visuals that you're seeing on your screen are celebrating fans at the airport, waiting for the superstar Rajinikanth to come back to Chennai. And he has arrived. In fact, we are just waiting for the superstar to leave the airport. And we'll be bringing you those visuals in a short while from now, as soon as he leaves the airport building. And Rajinikanth had recently written to his fans that he would soon appear in his next film Rana to entertain them. Sources close to the actor's family remain tight-lipped about the star's return, but in fact he has certainly returned tonight and will be bringing you that latest visuals. Our reporter Butler joins us now live to give us a sense of how the fans really feel now about the superstar Rajinikanth's return after 6 long weeks of treatment in Singapore.
Well, there is music, dance, jubilation. The Chennai airport has borne a jubilee festive look here, and I have with me a bunch of ardent Rajini fans waiting to see their star after 6 weeks in Singapore. So let's go and find out from them what is their wishes for their Talaivar here.
எங்கள் குடும்பத்தின் முதல் தலைவர் வருகிறார். அவருக்கு வரவேற்கிறதுக்காக அனைவரும் வந்து கூடி நிற்கிறோம். கண்டிப்பாக அவர் நல்லபடியாக வந்ததுக்காக தெய்வத்தை வேண்டிக் கொள்கிறோம்.
எங்கள் தலைவர் அன்பு தலைவர் எமனை வென்று தமிழ்நாட்டுக்கும் தமிழ்நாட்டு மக்களுக்கும் செய்ய வேண்டிய கடமைகள் நிறைய இருக்கின்றது. கண்டிப்பாக செய்வார். எங்கள் அன்பு தலைவர் நீடோடி காலம் 100 ஆண்டு காலம் வாழுவார். கண்டிப்பாக வாழுவார். சூப்பர் ஸ்டார் அவர்கள் பல்லாண்டு வாழ ரசிகர்கள் அனைவரும் உறுதியாகவும் கடவுளும் உறுதியாக இருக்கும் என்று நம்பிக்கையுடன்.
உங்க தலைவர் வந்த உடனே படம் நடிக்கணுமா இல்ல என்ன பண்ணணும்? உங்க தலைவரோட
தலைவர் வந்த உடனே எங்களை படம் நடிச்சு தான் சந்தோஷப்படுத்தணும். நாங்க அவரை சினிமால பார்த்தா நாங்க சந்தோஷப்படுறோம். அவர் எங்களுக்கு படம் மட்டும் நடிச்சாலே போதும், வேற எதுவுமே எங்களுக்கு தேவையில்லை.
ஒரு மறு பிறவி எடுத்து வந்திருக்காருன்ற அதிசய பிறவி மாதிரி அவர் இப்ப மீண்டும் அவர் வந்திருக்காருன்னா அது ஒரு அதிசய பிறவி.
மை கோம் காட் நெக்ஸ்ட் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் மை காட் ரஜினி.
So he is their god, their best actor. They're wishing him good luck, good health, and all they want is another movie from Rajini. Will he like come and fulfill all these dreams of all these ardent fans here? We will have to wait and see.
Well, thanks so much, Butler, for bringing us the latest from, of course, the views of all the Rajinikanth fans waiting right outside that Chennai airport there. In fact, within the airport premises, waiting for the superstar Rajinikanth to come out and, of course, meet his fans, if possibly, to really show them that he is hale and hearty, returning back from Singapore after 6 long weeks of treatment. Well, that's all we have time for on the bulletin. Lots more updates will continue. Thanks so much for watching.